What's up, everyone? If you're anything like me, grip fatigue is the bane of your existence when you're trying to hit those heavy deadlifts or pull-ups. I've bought and tested the top 5 weightlifting wrist hooks and straps on the market, so you don't have to waste your money. I'm going to tell you exactly what I thought about each one.
Product number 1, D-Moose Fitness Weightlifting Hooks. When I first grabbed these D-Moose hooks, I immediately noticed the thick wrist padding. It felt really substantial, like it could actually make a difference, and it did. During my deadlift sessions, that 8mm padding seriously reduced the strain on my forearms and wrists, a huge plus. The non-slip coated grip kept my hands locked onto the bar, even when things got sweaty, which is a common issue for me. I was able to focus way more on my form and pushing reps without my grip failing first. With a 500 pounds capacity and double cross-stitching, these felt super durable. If you're constantly battling grip fatigue and wrist discomfort, these are a solid choice to help you push past your limits.
Product number 2, Kofov Weightlifting Wrist Strap. These Kofov straps felt really premium in hand with their double-layer soft leather. The first thing that stood out was the extra padding around the D-shaped metal ring, which is a nice touch and kept it from digging into my wrist. The hook and loop closure was super easy to adjust, and the white and neoprene pad definitely added to the comfort, even during longer sessions. I really noticed how these took the pressure off my hands, letting me focus on engaging my back muscles more during rows and pull-ups, rather than worrying about my grip. They say it prevents calluses, and while I already have some, it certainly didn't make them worse. If you appreciate a more traditional leather feel with good padding and easy adjustability, these are fantastic.
Product number 3, Gym Reapers Weightlifting Hooks. Holding the Gym Reapers hooks, they just screamed heavy duty. The neoprene padding around the wrist felt really secure and comfortable, which made a huge difference during my shrugs and pull-ups. I didn't feel any discomfort even when I was trying to crush new PRs. The metal hook felt incredibly strong and hooked onto the barbell easily, giving me that peace of mind that my grip wouldn't fail. I put these through some tough workouts, and the reinforced nylon webbing and thick neoprene held up perfectly. They really allowed me to lift heavier and for longer by taking the strain off my forearms. If you're serious about powerlifting and need something that can truly withstand intense everyday gym abuse, these are definitely worth checking out.
Product number 4, Tayview Wrist Straps for Weightlifting. The unique glove design of these Tayview straps was immediately apparent when I tried them on. I loved how easily I could wrap them around the bar with just one hand. That's a huge convenience when you're already set for a lift. The cowhide padding felt really secure and comfortable, protecting my palms and keeping those nasty calluses at bay. During deadlifts, these straps genuinely shifted the weight off my palms and onto my wrists, allowing me to focus on pulling the weight rather than my grip slipping. I felt like I could absolutely dominate my max reps without worrying about losing my hold. If you're looking for a strap that offers quick, one-handed setup and excellent palm protection for heavy pulls, these are a strong contender.
Product number 5, Premium Deadlift Straps. These premium deadlift straps felt incredibly comfortable and breathable right out of the box. The steel hooks are a game changer, especially for deadlifts. My hands were protected and I felt 100% secure no matter how heavy the barbell was. I usually struggle with weak forearms holding me back, but these hooks let me push past that barrier and really target my back muscles. They're definitely better than regular lifting straps if you have a weaker grip or smaller hands, providing that extra comfort and security you need for a great training session. The innovative design also made it super easy to adjust them quickly between exercises. If you want something that offers superior protection, comfort, and helps you add those extra reps, these are a must-try. So there you have it, my top 5 weightlifting wrist hooks and straps. Each one has its own strengths, depending on what you're looking for. Make sure to check the links in the description below for the most current prices and details on all these products. Hit that like button if this helped you out, and I'll catch you in the next one.